happy birthday to Pearl now.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
She smelled tuna. We've got her this tuna cake.
Yeah, we baked it.
We need to do the candle first, so she
Okay,
can't
can I
come
put it
near it.
down?
Just keep hold of Pearl in it,
Keep hold of Pearl.
because I definitely don't want her on fire. Yeah. Yay, safety matches.
I don't think
There you go.
one.
Here
There
we
you go,
go.
fella.
Okay,
Right.
Pearl, we're ready. We're going to
Yeah.
sing it cat style, or we'll do it normal style, then we'll do it
Wait,
cat
what
style.
about meow, meow, meow,
We'll do
meow?
happy birthday first, okay?
Okay, then meow, meow, meow.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pearl. Happy birthday to you.
Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray!
Maybe we should like it in cat style.
Meow, 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 meow,
Come on, we need to... Oh, you blown it out yet? Pearl, come and get your tuna. Here she comes.
Here you go, Pearly.
It's your birthday.
Take the candle out.
Look, tuna.
Let's take this out.
Not today's shit.
Tuna, it's your birthday.
Yay! That's your cake.
Ooh,
Come on, she's scared.
tuna.
Gina, it's not a trap.
It's not a trap.
Yeah, it's your favourite tuna. It's not our tuna. What's that? It's your tuna. Smell it. It's your tuna. Smell it. This is a birthday. She doesn't like tuna.
Oh, I think she's going for it. Yay! Pearl's won today.
Maybe she's not used to doing it in a big chunk.
Yeah, she's not used to having it like that, like a cake.
Should we sponge it up?
Oh no, she's gone for it.
Yay!
We're not going to eat tuna cake though. We've got these cakes.
Cakes. Even if I might eat some tuna.
We've got Pearl some balloons.
Yay!
Got her a big number 1.
Really fast.
Woo! Does that scare you, Pearl?
There you go. And your cake. There you go.
Oh, Pearly. She's like, this is my dream, having a whole cake of tuna. And we've got this balloon. Happy first birthday!
Happy first birthday to
There's
you.
a big candle on the top. That's Pearl's hat.
Happy birthday, Isla. First
Happy
birthday.
birthday!
Just joking, it's just Pearl. How does that fit in my head? Because it's made for a child, but
You've got a tiny head.
she's taking big chunks and moving it on the table like
You think she'll eat it all?
No, she'll be even bigger.
Tell you what, there's a lot of tuna right there. So if she eats all that, she's going to be super full.
And it's time for the real cake for us. Let's take a plate.
We've got some cat plates.
A drink.
Have to get some juice.
And this one. I want this cake. I'm gonna have 2. Do it the
You're
big
going to
one.
have 2 cakes?
Hey, we all have different colours. Isla has vanilla, Libby has strawberry, and I had chocolate.
Cool.
Didn't know what to do.
Pearl, you having a rest now?
Not
Oh no,
really.
you're not finished yet? Is that yummy? The tongue says it's yummy. She's
I thought
This
Mum
is
was
super good.
filming. Look, I said the cake is yummy. Look.
is the cake yummy? Sure you wouldn't prefer a tuna cake?
I got
What are you having now?
Chocolate mice. I
Chocolate
got a
white mice?
White?
Cats like mice, so we got some chocolate mice. What is it?
Like Chuck E. Cheese.
Chuck E. Cheese?
I want to open.
Pearl!
I want it open.
You can smell the chocolate, but you're not allowed chocolate, Pearl. Happy birthday, Pearl! Oh, she doesn't like it. Pearl, come look at your presents! Let's have a look what we got you.
Ooh, let's do the card.
We got a card.
Okay, should we open the card first? Look for the card.
Phil.
Meow.
OMG, it's your birthday!
Yay! OMG. Right?
What does it say? To Pearl, it's your birthday! Happy birthday!
I have another card.
Happy birthday, love from your family, Mummy, Daddy, Ava, Isla, and Olivia.
I have another card.
Oh, that's the envelope.
Ah,
What have we got in here, Pearl?
Pearl's like when she saw that bag, she's like, now we're talking. Okay.
We got some new toys.
Ready. A mouse. Oh, there's a mouse. There's a mouse.
A mouse, a purple mouse.
Everything's purple in here. I'm so glad you got purple. Look at that. What's
We
that?
got you a new little play tunnel.
It's purple. My favorite color.
Pearl, it's awesome.
Oh, that's adorable. What's
A little cat tent.
Should we get it out?
Oh, I think she likes the mouse.
Should we get it out?
Open the tent.
Ready?
Woo!
That's scary.
Alright, let's go to the sun. How do you do it?
Is it like that?
Ah!
Wait.
Pull it out. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, and it's got the balls hanging off it too.
Oh, it's that way. No, it's anyway.
Oh, it's that way.
Yeah, Pearl, what do you think?
What do you think? You last just with her. Oh, she's like, every time I put my hair
A little jingly cat ball.
Look, a submarine. I know I'm not a cat, but I love these bits where you go like that.
Yeah.
I know I'm not a cat, but I love them. I could like play with it all day. I don't know, I'm like a cat. I'm like,
You a cat?
I like this.
Done.
Yeah.
She got the fish.
She got the fish. She's like, is that real fish?
Which toy do you think she likes the best?
What's it called again? Mouse.
Mouse.
Yeah.
The mouse.
Pearly, what do you see there? What do you see?
Yay! You went through.
Pearl.
Look, and Gopher's candy got
Fishy.
fish.
You see that?
Look at the skirt, everybody.
Close up. You think she's had a good birthday?
Yeah.
She's had a good birthday. Pearl's loving her tuna cake. Do you think she's had a good birthday, Olivia?
Oh, play with her balloon. Yay.
So guys, we hope you enjoyed sharing Pearl's first birthday with us. We hope you enjoyed it and we hope you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Fun Family 3 with Ava, Ava, Olivia, and we'll see you next time, guys.
Bye. Fun family free. Signing out.
Looking for more fun from Fun Family 3? Why don't you click on the links below?